So today we're at Free Flow Academy. We're filming our friend Elle. She is an action star. She's actually been on some shows in China and helped doing some movie stuff, choreographing fight scenes and that sort of thing. And so we wanted to get some nice action shots. We actually have a workshop coming up here at Free Flow Academy, and we wanted to get some shots ahead of time so we could test what we're going to be teaching out at our class coming up. So the first thing we did is we set up our green screen, and just like so often, we forgot to bring our background stands. So we kind of made this makeshift way of holding up our green screen, and that was by attaching it up to like a big chin-up bar that they had inside their dojo. And we just wanted to make it really easy for us to cut Elle out of some of these images. So after the green screen, we moved out to the main area inside Free Flow Academy and fired up the smoke machine. One thing about shooting in a big open area like this, the background doesn't always look so good. But when we fired up the smoke machine and backlit it, the entire background just fell away and was hidden by this beautiful smoke. With just one light to light up Elle and one light to backlight her and the smoke, we got some amazing, amazing images.
So this is one of those spots that you would never think of really shooting in, especially for an action shoot. We are standing in the middle of a driveway of a parking lot, overlooking a business park, but kind of a blank canvas of a field here. Now, when I'm standing up, I see all these buildings in the background, but what I found that if I lower myself down and actually sit on the cement, I've got the perfect angle to shoot. And now I've made all of those buildings disappear.
Now, the big advantage of shooting with high-speed sync is that we can shoot portraits in the middle of the day at a very shallow depth of field. It didn't matter that it was noon and the sun was directly overhead. By using high-speed sync, we were able to just create stunning light.